So yeah, it's Sunday evening. I just uploaded part 1 of this video. I'm going to meet up with some friends. We're gonna watch a movie and then that's it for the night, not doing anything else. So, this is the mess I made. You've already seen it in the other video, but I just wanted to show you what I'm packing. We're gonna start with clothes. I bought these packing cubes off of Amazon. And so far I'm liking them, so I have this, which is all underwear. Then I have this one, which is full of socks. I have a lot of colorful socks and a few black ones for working. This is medicine, and this is all my like bracelets and stuff like that. So this is shorts. This is 1, 2, 3 blue shorts and 1 pair of black shorts. I'm just taking those because I have them and they don't take up that much space. So next is pants. So I have 1 blue pair of pants and 1 black pair of pants, and I'm gonna take another one. That's the one that you might have seen on my Instagram, which is linked down below in case you want to check it out. It's like a blue pair of pants with a Captain Marvel logo on the back. And these pants I think I'm going to be throwing away after the year because they're already kind of sad and broken. Next is I have 2 of those thin, they're not really sweaters, they're t-shirts with long arms, and a thicker one like this. I also have this sweater over here. It's like a zip up, and that one actually has a hoodie. Next is all my t-shirts, which is very heavy, so I have around, I think, I made a list again, around 15 shirts and 5 tops. This is my Christmas shirt, and this is like a beach throw over. 2 like a bikini and a bathing suit. A black pair of shoes and flip-flops. Then I'm also taking workout shoes and like a comfortable pair of shoes. I have a long pair of lounge wear. My Captain Marvel costume, obviously, can't forget that. My workout gear, which is a top and just some shorts. Not shorts, like leggings. Then I have this, which is like an overalls dress. Some shorts that I always put under my dresses, a long tulle skirt and short black skirt. So the last thing clothes wise I have is my dresses. So I have this dress, which I love, it's new, I'll probably wear it for traditions. I have this overall, I have this blue dress, then I have this dress, which is new, and then this dress, which is also quite cute. We just went through all of the clothes stuff I have. Now we're going on to makeup. So I have 1 bag full of lipsticks because I love lipsticks and I can't leave them at home. I have 1 bag of makeup, which also has the brushes in it. It's not very big. And I have setting spray because I will need that. 2 perfumes. I have some skincare stuff. I have toothbrush and toothpaste, which I still need to pack, but I'm packing those obviously. Sunscreen and a moisturizer that has sunscreen in it, and a hairbrush. I'm also taking some reusable produce bags, earrings, bracelets, etc. That's what's in the bag I showed you earlier. I'm taking my old magic band, my pin lanyard, 1 pair of ears because it's the only pair of ears I own, 1 microfiber towel because those are amazing, I love them. 2 small backpacks, you might have seen one of them over there. It's black and has Mickey Mouse ears. I'm taking my roommate gift. I'm taking 1 or 2 tote bags, some adapters and a power strip, and onto the hand luggage. So I haven't packed anything in my hand luggage yet because I need most of it. But I'm taking my documents, an ebook reader, my phone, obviously, my camera, my laptop and a music box. I'm also taking those chargers. I'm taking a power bank, my travel journal, the autograph book, a planner and some pens. Yeah, and I think that's about it. If anything changes, I'll let you know throughout the week. And yeah, now on to packing it in my suitcase. So, obviously I ran into some problems, as I always do. But it's too heavy. I only get to take 20 kilograms of luggage and 10 kilograms of hand luggage. So this one right now is at 21 20.5 and before it was at 23. So I took out all of my underwear and put it in my camera bag, thinking I might need to take a hand luggage like suitcase as well, and hoping to get everything in there. And yeah, we'll see. Hopefully it all works out. Hi, it's Monday, so that officially starts my last week here, like my last week. Sorry for being so red. I've been packing and I've been wearing a sweater and it's so hot, but I think I solved my problem. So this is my suitcase. I opened it up for you so I could show you, and I'm also taking this as my hand luggage and this small backpack as my hand luggage as well. So I get 20 kilograms of luggage and 10 kilograms for this one, but this one is at around 11, so I'm just hoping they don't weigh it. But anyway, so I have only my shirts and my pants in here. I put all my shorts and underwear in that one, and this is like my makeup stuff and everything, and I brought a lunchbox as well. And yeah, in here I have a camera and my neck pillow, and yeah, and I have all my documents in this one obviously, so I have them here ready to access. So I also have my liquids, because they always want you to take them out, and these are all my documents. Then I have my underwear in here, and yeah, I think it should be fine. I haven't, this one is at 19.5 kilograms right now, so I'm thinking I might have to switch some things around because I'm kind of scared that my scale is not working properly. So I'll take a look at that, but I still have 3 more days. And this one's a little bit heavy, but I think it should be fine. I don't think they're gonna weigh it. So yeah, like I said, today is Monday. Oh, look at Stitch in the back. And the weather's really bad. They gave out a warning because it's so windy. But yeah, so I don't think I'm gonna do anything today. So yeah, we messed up yesterday and broke my phone, so that's why I don't have any footage from yesterday. But today is Wednesday, that means it's my last day in Germany. My grandparents just came over to say goodbye, and we're going to the gym today and having some lunch, and then my sister has drama class as well, so we're gonna do that. And yeah, that's I think it for the day. I think my suitcase is fully packed. It's not too heavy, I think. And yeah, I think I'm good, I'm ready. So I'm just gonna update you on how I'm feeling. I'm not very nervous, I'm not very sad. I'm very excited to finally start this, but I think I'm not nervous or sad because I have already done a year or nearly a year abroad. I know this is very different, but I'm thinking the nerves will come tomorrow. So it's the evening now. We just went to the gym. Well, that was like 2 hours ago. We brought my sister to drama class, and we ran around the city a bit, got the last few bits I needed some eye drops for the flight, and we're all set. It's 7 p.m. We're just gonna wait for my sister to finish, and then we're gonna drive back home. And yeah, I have 2 more things I need to pack in my suitcase, and then I'm fully done. Yeah, it's getting real, actually. It's here. I remember it being like months and months and months away. I think when I got my approval, it was 4 months. So 4 months ago, I found out that I was gonna go and live in Disney World. And now I'm flying out tomorrow, and then I have 4 more days in sunny Orlando before I check in, and then like 2 more days in housing before we become official cast members, before I actually get to, you know, go to the parks and everything. So excited. Honestly, it's getting really, really crazy. So yeah, it's officially the last night in this bed. Definitely gonna miss it, but yeah, this is also the end of this vlog. Sorry it's a bit on the short side this time. as I said, I did lose a bit of footage. Sorry about that, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and check out my Instagram channel. And see you tomorrow for my flying vlog.